The arts can change the world. Travel with me, artist John Dyer. Be inspired. Learn about plants, animals and people. Connect to tribal culture. Create, paint, exhibit, connect.
Good morning, this is our last full day with the Yawanara people, and it's about 6:50 in the morning. Everybody gets going really early, don't they, Martha Lily? What sort of time they start waking up?
Like 5.
Yeah, and the cockerels can start at 2 or 3, so it's a bit disturbed. And the children are just going to school. If I just walk around here, you can see they're on the way to school. They start school at 7 o'clock in the morning, so that's where they're off to. And there's preparations all around the village. People are chopping wood and starting to make lunch, and so it's quite a noisy start to the day. But hopefully we're going to join these children who are going to school a little bit later and do some paintings and drawings with them.
We're just about to go into the school to do some music and do some painting with the children.
It's very spiritual color using in paper. It gets very bright. Yeah, so it's beautiful. Beautiful natural color.
Hello, what is your name and how old are you?
Eu sou Pacuruni e tenho 10 anos.
Can you tell me what your painting is about?
Essa é uma cobra que eu desenhei. Parece. Essas são as folhas. Esse é o uni. Esse é o desenho do couro da cobra. Esse é o sol. E esse é a borboleta.
That was really wonderful for me because that was Gabriel Zobo from the wonderful film The Mission. That amazing scene that everybody must have seen when the priest, Jeremy Irons, climbs up the waterfall and plays this wonderful piece on an oboe, not a flute admittedly, and the Indians all gather round and listen to it, and it's one of the most moving pieces.
What is your name and how old are you?
Eu sou Chico Vimbi, eu tenho 10 anos.
Have you enjoyed painting today? Do you have a message for the world?
Eu desenhei uma árvore e uma borboleta e o sol, os pássaros e os peixes e as flores e as nuvens e esses coisinhas.
Hi, what's your name? How old are you and have you enjoyed painting today?
Eu me diverti porque eu tenho 10 anos, meu nome é Joana.
Ah, that's good. What's so special about your painting?
Eu fiz a folha Eu fiz duas cobras, o cano da borboleta, o sol e o cano da cobra e uma ave.
Molto bene. Hello, can you tell me your name, how old you are, and if you've enjoyed today?
Meu nome é Launa, eu tenho 10 anos e eu gostei de pintar.
What have you painted in your painting?
Pintei o sol, o cano da borboleta, o peixe, cabeça, cobra, que era minha amiga, e uma árvore e uma folha.
Thank you. Hello, what is your name and how old are you?
Meu nome é Jorge, eu tenho 12 anos.
Can you tell me about your painting?
Eu pintei uma casa, a gente mora dentro, e um pé de pachibã, uma flor e um pássaro. E a nuvem, e o sol, e o caminho.
Have you enjoyed painting today?
Se divertiu?
Se divertir.
Yes.
Thank you.
Obrigado. Tá bom.
Hello, what is your name and how old are you?
Meu nome é Tânia, eu tenho 10 anos.
Have you had fun today?
Sim.
What have you painted in your painting?
Eu fiz um pé de árvore, uma cabeça da irmã, uma casa e o sol e uma folha, a folha do kauá.
Hello, what is your name and how old are you?
Eu sou a irmã de 10 anos.
Why is the rainforest so important to the Yawanawa?
Porque a gente vive nela, tem água, tem rio, a gente mora nela, tem peixe, se alimentamos com ela. Tem o sol, uma folha, rio com peixe e o desenho da borboleta.
It's beautiful, thank you. Do you prefer living here in the rainforest or in town like Tarapacá?
Eu prefiro morar aqui,
Why do you prefer it here?
porque aqui é bom, aqui é tudo pra mim. Eu nunca quero sair daqui. E aqui tem várias coisas boas. Tem pássaros, tem peixe, tem água, tem plantas, tem várias coisas boas.
Would you be sad if the rainforest got taken away?
Sim, muito. Porque aqui é bom. Aqui tem muita coisa boa. É isso.
Thank you very much.
Muito obrigado.
Why is the rainforest so important to you and the Yawanawa?
Porque aqui nós tem tudo e tudo que a gente precisa. A gente tem água limpa, a gente tem chuva, a gente tem sol, a gente tem tudo que a gente precisa.
Do you enjoy living here?
Gosto, aqui é muito bom.
Would you be sad if the rainforest got taken away?
Sim, se ele acabar nós não ia ter nada.
Thank you very much.
Muito obrigado.
it's our last night in the Amazon, and this is the last opportunity we're going to have to film here. So from John and I, it's bye from the Amazon.
The engine back here. Yeah, I've still got this.
Chapter 2 is Person of the Forest in Borneo, so join us live in September.